The song is a classic American minstrel song written by Stephen Foster in 1848, making it one of the most iconic folk tunes in American music history. The song gained immense popularity during the California Gold Rush, symbolizing hope and adventure. Over time, it has become a beloved children's song and a staple of folk and country music. Its cheerful rhythm and timeless appeal make it a great choice to play on the piano, especially for beginners, as it is easy to learn and fun to perform. Practicing the D major scale beforehand is recommended. By mastering the D major scale, you can develop smoother transitions between notes, improve finger dexterity, and gain confidence in playing the melody with proper timing and expression. This preparation not only makes learning the song easier but also enhances your overall piano technique.
Sari ga pa pa da pa ga sari ga ga ri sari. Sari ga pa pa da pa ga sari ga ga ri sa. Sari ga pa pa da pa ga sari ga ga ri sari. Sari ga pa pa da pa ga sari ga ga ri sa. Ma ma da 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 pa pa ga sari. Sari ga pa pa da pa ga sari ga ga ri sa.
We hope you loved exploring this musical piece and are inspired to keep your piano journey alive and thriving. Try playing the melody yourself, and if you have any questions or need guidance, drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you're always in tune with our latest lessons. Keep an eye out for more exciting tutorials coming your way.